As we journey past 60, the face in the mirror can start to tell a story we didn't write. The fine lines around our eyes, the subtle loss of firmness along the jawline. These are the visible signs of a natural process called collagen decline. It's a frustrating reality that can make us feel like our vibrant, youthful spirit is trapped behind a facade that no longer reflects who we are. Many believe that expensive creams or invasive procedures are the only answer. But what if the secret to rebuilding your skin's youthful foundation wasn't in a pricey jar, but in a simple, powerful, and scientifically proven vitamin? What if you could reclaim your skin's radiance from the inside out, using the very building blocks nature provides? The answer is closer and more affordable than you think, waiting in the vibrant glow of a single potent nutrient. To understand the solution, we first need to grasp the science behind the problem. Imagine collagen as the scaffolding of your skin, a dense, strong network of protein fibers that keeps it firm, plump, and smooth. In our youth, this framework is robust and constantly regenerating, giving our skin that enviable bounce. However, as we age, and especially after 60, our body's ability to produce this vital protein drops dramatically. Think of it as a busy construction site that suddenly loses most of its workers. The production line for new collagen slows to a crawl, and the existing structure begins to weaken and break apart. This internal collapse is what manifests externally as sagging skin, deeper wrinkles, and a loss of overall volume. It's not just your imagination. It's a biological slowdown that requires a targeted intervention to counteract. This is where our hero nutrient makes its grand entrance, vitamin C. While many associate it with boosting the immune system, its role in skin health is nothing short of miraculous. Vitamin C isn't just a helpful addition. It is an absolutely essential key for collagen synthesis. Our bodies cannot produce new collagen fibers without it. Picture a complex biochemical factory line inside your skin cells, ready to assemble collagen. Vitamin C is the master switch that turns the entire operation on. Without it, the process grinds to a halt. Scientific research has illuminated this remarkable power. Studies have shown that when aging skin cells are introduced to adequate levels of vitamin C, they don't just wake up. They begin to replicate and behave like much younger cells, kickstarting the collagen production that had gone dormant. Of course, even the most powerful hero needs a supporting team. While vitamin C takes the lead role in collagen synthesis, several other nutrients work in synergy to amplify its effects and protect the skin. Vitamin A, which our bodies can derive from beta-carotene in foods like carrots and sweet potatoes, is crucial for skin cell turnover and repair, helping to shed old, damaged layers and reveal fresher skin beneath. Then there's vitamin E, a potent antioxidant found in almonds and sunflower seeds, which acts as a personal bodyguard for your skin cells. It helps neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that damage collagen, thereby protecting the new scaffolding you're building. Niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3 found in lean protein, further strengthens the skin's barrier, improving its elasticity and texture. Together, this team creates a comprehensive internal support system for firmer, healthier skin. So how do you put this knowledge into action? The path to rebuilding your collagen isn't about chasing a magic pill. It's about making a conscious, empowering choice every single day. Forget the complex, expensive routines and turn to the natural pharmacy in your grocery store. Start by making vitamin C the star of your plate. Incorporate vibrant oranges, red bell peppers, kiwis, and strawberries into your daily meals. Add a handful of almonds for that vitamin E boost. Enjoy baked sweet potatoes for a dose of vitamin A, and ensure you're getting lean protein. By nourishing your body from within, you are providing the essential raw materials it needs to repair and regenerate. You are taking control, rebuilding your skin's foundation one delicious, nutrient-rich meal at a time. The result is more than just better skin. It's the radiant confidence that comes from knowing you are nurturing your health in the most natural and effective way possible.